Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Medaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having an option that says encrypt contents to secure data is grayed out when you're modifying the advanced attributes for shortcut or find. So encrypting file system is a feature that enables you to encrypt files and data so as to protect confidential data. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung services, and then click mo lang dito yung open. So, dito sa services and services local, and then next step ay, kailangan lang natin mag-scroll down at hanapin natin yung encrypting file system. Alright? So, select mo lang dito yung encrypting file system or EFS. So, click mo ganyan, and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then pop up itong kanyang properties. So, ang next step, dito lang sa general, and then dito sa startup type, so kailangan lang natin itong i-modify. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan, and then select mo lang dito yung automatic. So dalawang option dito yung automatic na pwede natin select. So pwedeng automatic delete or automatic mark and delete. Okay, so click mo lang ganyan. And then next ay click mo lang dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. So after dito sa services, and then next solution na pwede natin gawin. So close lang natin itong services. And then dito lang sa search menu, and then dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung registry editor. And then kailangan mo lang mag right click, and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. So before you proceed in the registry, I will suggest you to create a backup file. So if anything go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is to select yung file dito sa taas. Click mo lang yan. And then select mo lang dito yung export. And then pop up itong export registry file. So select mo lang dito kung saan mo isisave yung file. And then dito sa pag-create ng file name, so I will suggest and recommend to create file name must be with a date. Okay, so lagyan mo lang siya ng date, and then click mo lang dito yung save. Alright, so if you want to import it back, so all you have to do is to select yung file dito sa taas, and then select mo lang dito yung import. And then pop up tong import registry file, and then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito kung saan mo sinave yung file, and then click mo lang dito yung open. Alright, so start na tayo. Ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung HK local machine. So double click ka lang. And then dito sa HK local machines, ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung system. So double click ulit. And then dito sa system, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung current control set. So dito double click ulit. And then dito sa current control set, so ang next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung control. So, double click ulit dito. And then dito sa control, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung file system. Okay, so ito siya. So, double click ulit dito sa file system. So, double click. And then, once na na-select mo na yan, and then dito lang sa right side yung kanyang settings, ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung NTFS Disable Encryptions. Alright, ito siya. So, dito kailangan mo lang i-select. And then, kailangan mo na mag-double click. And then, pop up itong kanyang edit the word 32-bit value. So, ang next step, i-check mo lang itong value name na NTFS Disable Encryptions. And then, dito sa value data must be 0. And then, dito sa base ay kailangan nakaselect dito yung hexadecimal. And then, click mo lang dito yung OK. So, once na-select mo na yan, and then kailangan na natin mag-back. So, close lang natin itong registry, and then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix encrypt contents to secure data option, grayed out, and Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.